You see, one thing with new technology is that once it comes out, it is going to make a lot of people unemployed. But at the same time, a lot more other people will also gain employment. And these are the people that embrace the new technology and use it to their own advantage. Someone told me the other day that AI is going to take the job of creatives, especially photographers and graphic designers. And the argument there was, it's not going to be so. It is not going to be possible that AI is computer, that all these skills, even movie making, require the input of a human being. Two of them might be right, but let us just analyze this thing. I remember back then, some not long ago, some of you that are watching me on this place did their birthday and the picture that they posted was AI generated. It is your own picture, but you have used AI to make it look fine. And people will be, see fine picture, beautiful picture. But true, you know that is not you. And you want to do it over and over again. Now, that particular photographer that probably you would have patronized and that he will do a real photo shoot for you, you didn't patronize him. Is that not AI taking their job? Now, you as a photographer, you might want to think, it is still fake. People will still search for the original. No problem. I understand. People want the original. But do you know what the power of AI is like now? Back then, it was like that. And now it is advancing. And you think people will stay, they may not even know the difference. In fact, this AI can get so good that even people, when they see the original, they will think it is the fake, it is the AI. Another argument would be, it requires human input when you put your effort as a human being, expertise. And I agree totally. Your argument would be, how will someone want to design a flyer and all those things, and they'll be using AI to do it? AI will not give them exactly what they want. AI will not do this. AI will do. They play. Okay, as a photographer, AI cannot take family portraits any style you want. AI cannot cover events. You as a photographer need to be there to cover the event. You forget that there are smartphones with good camera. And now when you pair that ability of the smartphone with that good camera with AI and you match them together, people will not even know that it was not a professional photographer that snapped that picture. Then those people that would have called you will call their friends. Guy, I dey do wedding oh. Shey you get Samsung Galaxy Pro Max X16, 3420, whatever. And they will come. They will call this one. They will call this one. iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 29 Pro Max. All of them will come in and they will take pictures. Send it to you. They will just send it to AI and AI will just brush it up, bring it out, put something very important, fine logo there. Photographer alpha. But nothing to fear, nothing to fear. I'm here for you. I'm also a photographer. What do you do in this case? You are the professional. You are the one that will take great pictures. You are the one that know how to take better pictures than all these people that just carry phone with good cameras. Abi? Now imagine with your great pictures and better pictures and everything, and then you pair it with the power of AI. You don't need to open your laptop to make any retouch. You don't need to do any of those kind of things that will delay you. You take pictures and finish an event by 4 p.m. By 5 p.m., your clients are getting their pictures all fully done in the best quality, all because of the power of AI, because you harnessed it. Now, are these things possible with AI? Not really, not really. But I'm coming to something. Do you want to wait till it is possible? By then, the market is saturated with people that can do it on their own. And then you start trying to learn it. Why not embrace this new technology now? Now that it is showing you the potentials of endless possibilities, why not embrace it now and watch for what will happen in future? That is how people grow. See you next time. Pew. Have I disappeared?
Yeah, you don't disappear.
I've disappeared.
Yes, of course, no, you don't disappear.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure, no.
But I'm still seeing myself in the camera.
You don't disappear. No, no.
If I watch this video and it be that I did not disappear, you will stop working for me.
Also,
Agreed.
what would do me again?
Oh, okay, I didn't disappear. Eh. So what should I do to disappear?
Just do that pume again.
I should do the
And you
pume
don't
again.
again.
Okay. Pew.
And you don't disappear.
Now I've disappeared. That's how to do it. I cannot even see myself in the camera anymore.
Of course. No,
Correct. But shall I will still appear in the next video?
yes, nah. You go appear now.
Alright, normal. You na correct guy. Oya na. Make we post am.